Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Maaz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Join me as we take a closer look at the life of Princess Catherine Kate Middleton, the Duchess of Cambridge, and her journey after marriage. From her stunning wedding day to her current role as a mother of three, Kate's elegance and poise have captivated the world. In this video, we will explore her transition from commoner to royalty, her impeccable fashion sense from formal gowns to chic everyday outfits, her charitable work and dedication to her family, the ways in which she becomes a style icon for women around the world. Please watch this video till the end to see how Kate's style has evolved over the years. And don't forget to subscribe for more fashion content. As a special request, if you enjoyed this video, please check out my Mother's Fashion YouTube channel, where I share her own insights on style, beauty and more. Thank you for your support. Kate's marriage to Prince William in 2011 marked the beginning for a new chapter in her life. As the Duchess of Cambridge, she has undertaken numerous royal duties and engagements. Her fashion choice has been highly influential, with many emulating her style. From Alexander McQueen to Zara, Kate's wardrobe is a masterclass in versatility. We will examine her most iconic looks, from red carpet gown to casual daytime outfits. Kate's ability to mix high-end designer pieces with high street brands has made her retailable style icon. Her commitment to British designer has also been noteworthy. As a mother of three, Kate's style has adapted to her new role. We will explore how she balanced fashion with functionality. Kate's charitable work has also been a significant focus of her royal duties. Her dedication to cases such as mental health and children's welfare is truly admirable. Through her fashion choice, Kate often pays tribute to the countries she visits. Her outfits frequently incorporate royal designer or more. This video will showcase the many facts of Kate's life as a royal. From official engagements to private moments with her family, we will delve into the ways in which Kate has become a role model for young women. Her grace, kindness, and compassion have earned her widespread admiration. By watching this video, you will gain a deeper understanding of Kate's life and style. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video comprehensive look at the Duchess of Cambridge. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And please visit my Mother Fashion YouTube channel for more fashion inspiration. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next videos. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please tell me in comment box, what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. So my beautiful viewers, in this video we are shining to spotlight on some of world's most fashionable moms, including Kate Middleton. From royal engagement to public appearance, these stylish moms show us how to balance elegance and sophistication with motherly love. In this video, we will be featuring Kate Middleton's effortless chic and royal fashion moments. Whether you are a mom yourself or just looking for some style inspiration, this video is just for you. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of elegant mother of the bride. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more fashion content. And let me know if you want to make any changes. Please tell me in comment box. Thank you very much for watching this video.